Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about attraction, real lasting attraction, and how it's rooted in self-mastery, not in chasing or bending to someone else's expectations. This is about becoming magnetic simply by being authentically you. Picture the scenario. Someone is constantly texting, waiting for replies, and rearranging their entire schedule to fit around another person. They're essentially molding their lives to be available. But instead of drawing someone closer, this behavior tends to push people away. Why? Because desperation isn't attractive. It signals dependency and insecurity. Over time, this person loses their own identity in the process, and the person they're chasing begins to drift. Now, picture someone else. This person is focused on their own goals, their own growth. They're self-assured, confident, and calm. They don't chase or wait around for validation. They know their worth, and they're comfortable with who they are. This quiet confidence is magnetic. It's the kind of energy that naturally attracts others because it shows independence and self-respect. People want to be around someone who's whole on their own. They're drawn to someone with dreams, ambitions, and a life that doesn't rely on anyone else's presence. When you have a clear sense of purpose, it radiates from you, and people notice. They see someone who's not dependent, not waiting to be completed by someone else. Instead, they see someone who's grounded, present, and confident. When you focus on self-mastery, you create a kind of presence that naturally draws others in. You're not looking for approval, and you don't need validation to feel valuable. Instead, you're secure in your own identity, and that's powerful. People are intrigued by those who are steady, who have their own lives and passions, and who are committed to their growth. But this isn't about playing games or being distant. It's about being genuinely engaged in your own journey and knowing your value. When you're confident in who you are, you don't need to constantly be available or make others your priority. This balance, between being engaged yet self-sufficient, creates a mystery that people find deeply attractive. They see you as someone worth investing in because you've already invested in yourself. Think about it. If you're always chasing, always available, you're predictable, and predictability often kills attraction. But if you're focused on your growth, with your own ambitions, people start to wonder about you, to notice you. There's an aura of mystery, an invitation to get to know the real you. So, are you ready to make this shift? Ready to stop chasing and start focusing on what makes you strong and fulfilled? When you choose to respect yourself first, others will respect you too. Let's create a community of people who know their worth and attract by living their best lives, not by trying to fit someone else's mold. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, attraction starts with who you are. By being genuinely present in your own life, you create a magnetic energy that naturally draws others in. Focus on self-mastery, embrace your own goals, and see how the right people gravitate toward you. Stay tuned for more insights, and as always, keep choosing yourself.